Good morning, guys. What up, what up, what up? We're going to start in 9 minutes. I'll see you guys then. Good morning, everybody. Good morning to those who have just joined. Okay, just like up the stream, and I'll get to you guys in 8 minutes. Keep the questions coming. I see every single person's question. Don't spam it, please. Don't write it again and again and again. I see it. I promise you, don't worry. Everything's under control right now. Relax. Okay, get the questions in, ticker, like up the stream. Make sure you're also liking the stream, not the chat box. Do not like in the chat box, like the actual the stream. All right, I'll see you guys in 7 minutes. Good morning to those who have just joined. What up, everybody? We are going to start in exactly 5 minutes. All right, 5 minutes. I will see you guys in a bit. Get the questions in, tickers, all that stuff, and I will see you guys in 5 minutes. Peace. Good morning to those who have just joined. Hello, hello, hello. We will start in 3 minutes. Just make sure to like up the stream, get a question in, ticker, and I will be with you very, very shortly. All right, see you in a minute. All right, what up everybody? We're gonna start a couple, 1 or 2 minutes early here. So let's get started. I'm gonna go through Twitter and then I've already caught up pretty much on everything on Twitter, so we'll get to you guys in a minute. Right, AIRE. What is going on with this? Huge PR. There ain't no huge move with this PR. So we'll have to wait and see what happens with this. At the moment, you're faced with a resistance level here, 207. So 207 is your resistance level. We can put this here in purple. So what you're waiting for is just a candle to close and break above 207 to take your entry on. At the moment, I would not be taking an entry on it. There is nothing yet. 207. What up, everybody? Uoka. Absolutely nothing on this. Yeah, nothing at 0.283 to be honest. There's too much ranging going on. Yoka needs 0.2830. It means when there's ranging, you don't want to be trading in a range because you don't know what on earth is going on. It's just going up and down here. I don't know what's happening. Technically, it's bearish due to the strong downtrend here. So yeah, difficult to trade something that is bearish like that. DWTX, another bearish stock. I personally wouldn't touch this due to the strong downtrend. No sign of reversal yet, unfortunately. So yeah, you're gonna have to wait for this one. Let's go. What up? NIVF. Is this moving? NIVF, nothing really going on with this, to be honest with you. So let's have a look and see what's going here. So NIVF is your clean resistance. So $3.21. The $3.21 is your resistance level. So personally, what I would do if I was in this situation, I would not touch it unless it gets close to $3.21, a close above. That would be nice for entries. I would not touch it below. I don't know what's going to happen below. NIVF needs 321 break. So the situation you're in now is a no entry. No entry. You're trying, if you enter now, you might have a magical indicator that can tell you it will go up, which is fair enough. I'm just letting you know what I see, and at the moment I don't see any reversal yet. Nvidia, swing trade, it's up to you. I don't trade these long-term or larger cap stocks. But yeah, I mean, technically speaking, it's setting up for a breakout, which it should do. However, there's a lot of news this week, so be very, very cautious of that as well, because that will definitely impact Nvidia and the rest of the large cap market. So it is setting up for a breakout like this. So falling wedge in a demand zone, as everybody knows this already. If you don't and you're new, welcome. A demand zone is where buyers step in. That is where price should go up, and a bullish reversal pattern is a falling wedge, which is this white lines. All right, so Nvidia is bullish. So Nvidia is bullish based on this time frame. ATCH, is this reversing? ATCH, wait for $5.61 to take an entry. Personally, I wouldn't take it now. So ATCH needs $5.61 break to enter. All right, 561 break to enter. Heiper. Heiper needs to just hold this demand zone here. If it closes below demand zone, in my opinion, it is bearish. Just very difficult to trade in something like this in a falling wedge demand zone. But when you're in a situation like this where there's a lack of volume, there's a higher probability that the stock will go down regardless if it is bullish. So it needs volume for it to respect the technicals that I've drawn. RKLB, this is looking good as long as it holds this demand zone. I like it for a swing trade. In my opinion, just keep a stop loss. Foxo's moving. Yeah, I saw that move earlier. Come straight back down. Yeah, nothing on this, to be honest. Above 0.34, I would look for an entry. Personally, nothing now. 0.34 is your main resistance. Is AIFF still bullish? I don't know if it even is bullish. AIFF is not bullish. It's actually bearish. How do I know that? Because we're making lower lows like this. Lower highs, lower lows, we're going down. My opinion, above 1074 would be good entries. Nothing unless 1074 break above. So if you close above 1074, that would be a nice entry. If you want to take it now, you're more than welcome to. I just don't see any entries right now. STEC absolutely crushed this one today. Yeah, played it pretty much all pre-market, to be honest with you. It was very simple, easy trade setup. Very, very green this morning, which is nice because then I can just chill for open. See if I find any trades or if I want to take any trades. Yeah, we'll just see what the market brings. We will see what the market brings this week. So we have this here, then we have here. These are your next key levels, 430. But yeah, SCEC would definitely be a good play to watch today. Yeah, keep it on the watch list. Needs 319 break for entries. For those who just joined, please can you like up the stream? It costs $0 to do so, but it means $1 billion to me. Thumbs up, guys. Yes, thumbs up. Good morning. Hope you're doing well. Yes, all is well, my friend. CNEY, nothing unless 44 cents to take an entry. I personally wouldn't touch it right now. HMR. HMR, I don't like the stock at all. It's a pump and dump, trash. The hype's done with it. For me, nothing, to be honest. Nothing. Fubo, you're no entries unless $4.20. If you're going to enter now, that is the incorrect instructions for what I would take. But if you want to take it now, you are more than welcome to. But I personally don't see any entries right now. These are your key levels at 521 after that break. $4.72. Right, you have Fubo needs 420 break. Yeah, 420 break is a good entry point for Fubo. Good afternoon from Dubai. Yes, good evening from Dubai. It's 5:30 p.m. here. Like it is about to rain. Great weather. Yeah, it's gonna rain, I think. I had nightmares about HMR the weekend. Yeah, guys, HMR's trash in my opinion. Gives me like B-hat, all of that shit. Trash. Good morning from Ohio. What up? I'm sure it's ice cold there where you are. QBTS looks good. I like this. I still like the sector. I still think the sector is bullish. This is the same sector as BBAI. This is quantum. Yeah, like it. If you're in it, keep a stop loss. Have a target in mind. QBTS prediction. Right, QBTS. I managed to grab Huawei for 18%, almost twice the goal, so I'm just leaving a like and going to rest. Well done, Adam. Go enjoy the rest of your day. Fantastic job. FRSX. This is up 47%. I'll keep this on my watch list just for today and see what is going on. Maybe above VWAP. Yeah, I mean, if you can close above VWAP, you could look for an entry on this. 5-minute candle close above VWAP or 1 minute. Wait for VWAP reclaim. So that means the candle must close above VWAP. OXO is here pushing up. Yeah, it needs to close above VWAP if you want to take a risky entry. Safe entries are above 0.34. KULR, what's happening with KULR? KULR has low volume right now. KULR is just literally coming down very quickly. Not really a fan of this anymore. Until it breaks this downtrend, then I think it'll look good for entries. But at the moment, it's just very difficult to trade something that is just continuously coming down, you know? So personally, just wait for downtrend break. Yeah, wait for downtrend break to enter. Trying to enter now, you're just going to be fighting the trend, hoping that you're going to pray and then break. This was a fantastic trade. Someone in the Discord did grab it, and I did mention they could enter here at 103 or even the VWAP close above. So well done to anyone who took this. If you did, fantastic job. Do not go and chase it now. If you're in the Discord, you know what you need to do. Candlestick strategy, use it to your advantage. Right? Very, very nice on KULR. Sorry, on YYAR. Wow, very nice. This will definitely be a play to watch today. Hopefully it doesn't dump at open. But yes, I would keep this on watch. Do not chase it. STEC, this is the one I mentioned earlier. I would wait for $3.19. PSIG. Right, PSIG has zero volume. Nothing on this for me. I don't like a chart like this. It's extremely difficult to chart something that has a weird price action like this. Yeah, for me, nothing personally. Yeah, nothing. I don't know how to chart something that has low volume. Maybe this is your most recent resistance, 0.66. So maybe if you can get a close above 0.66, then you could look for an entry. But when there's a lack of volume and there's not much price action on the chart, overall, it's very difficult to draw technicals on it because there's no clear trend, right? It's not going in an uptrend. It's not in a downtrend. It's pretty much just ranging, to be honest with you. So yeah, maybe about 0.6 break. You could wait for that if you really want to take the trade. You really want to take the trade. HMR, guys, I'm not interested in HMR. Everybody can see this. Stevie Wonder messaged me and he told me he can see that this is also in a downtrend. So, you know, if he can see it, that everybody else can see it as well. Whether this runs or not, I'm personally not interested in it, guys. There's too much hype. There's too much BS with this. So many people got bag held in this play. Yes, I know this was MJOL's ticker change, I think. So yeah, for me, nothing. If you like it, you can take the trade. I just wouldn't advise anyone to take this. ALUR, very bearish. So that means that you should stay away from something like this. There is no sign reversal. There's a strong downtrend. Unless there's news or something coming, then fair enough. But at the moment, I don't see any. CYCU. This is a trash. This stock here, whether it's come down, whatever, 100%, whatever it's come down to, right, from the highs, I don't care. This chart here is a prime example of a pump and dump trash for me. Whether you want to take it or not, it's just a complete gamble because you want to buy it because it's at a low or something. That's fine, and you can do whatever you want to do. But for me, talking about this, I just think it's a waste of time, to be honest with you. But if it reverses and runs, great. I hope it does for those who are in it. I like this play, BBAI. I said it. I'll say it again. I expect to break out, and I will write it again. If you're in it, make sure to have a stop loss. Even though everybody does use a stop loss when they trade, but, you know, just to remind the people who forgot their brains. ACHR, I like this stock overall. I think it's a great stock. I personally think that it is good. I like this stock. You have a major demand zone around here. This is your like demand zone area. So this is probably good buys. Why do I say that? Because if we're looking at previous price action in this area, what's happening? it goes up and it goes up and it goes up every time it gets there. So maybe wait for entries around this 880 level, $9 to look for possible entry. This is ACHR, wait for demand zone pullback. For those who have just joined, if you can do me a huge favor and like up the stream, it goes a long, long way. Sounds good. I'm going to trade NVIDIA today. Good luck, my friend. Good luck. I don't know any news that's coming today, but just be careful. It is Monday. MLGO, I would wait for this level here, whatever it is, 843 on the 5 minute. RSLS, is this the one that dumped last week? RSLS, nothing on this, absolutely nothing. This is a chart that I would stay away from until there's news of some sort that will give this some volume, but overall, this is very, very bearish. All right, so definitely wouldn't be looking at this. And then when it runs up today or tomorrow or something, someone's gonna go, how can you say it's bearish? Guys, when I'm looking at the chart and everybody can see this at this moment in time that I've posted it, the chart is bearish. There's no sign of reversal. There's nothing that is showing that this is going to go up. All right. Raining in Alabama, damn. No problem, Ferguson. CSCO, difficult. I mean, you could say it is bullish and try and make a bullish pennant for you, to be honest. Yeah, you can say it looks good. As long as it holds this bottom trend line, which is the support line, then it does look good. So yeah, I don't know when the earnings are or something, so keep that in mind because that will affect the price action of this completely. Yes, so this is a bullish pennant. It is a continuation pattern. So the continuation is from the upside. We're pushing again to the. Can you look at ACXP? No, I cannot. ACXP, what's happening with ACXP? ACXP, nothing unless nothing on this, to be honest. Maybe above 90.50. 90.50. IVVD, is this reversing again now? Yeah, IVVD, you need this 174. Let's actually move it up to this new high here, 170. IVVD, wait for this level here, which is $1.77. Right now it's down 25%. Not my kind of play at all, to be honest. It needs 177 break, but it's down 25%, so hopefully we'll see. Bro, in your Discord, do you handhold with exact entry next? Because small cap Discords don't give entry nexus and leave up to members. Well, our Discord is completely different. Myself and Hassie give the alerts. Only myself and Hassie, we give alerts with entry, stop loss, and targets. We give around 3 or 4 each a day. We focus on quality over quantity, and the reasons why we take the trades are exactly the strategies that we teach, which are on your What portal, so you can learn it as well. So if you want the alerts, they're there. But for me personally, I've cut back a lot, probably about 90% of my alerts. I don't trade them anymore. I focus more in the Discord to teach people why I've taken the trade, how they can trade so they can learn to take the skill rather than just relying on someone and being lazy and want the alerts. The alerts are there if you want to, but personally, I don't really like it too much, but they are there if you want to take it. But if you want to learn how to trade properly and actually become financially free and learn a skill, the Discord is definitely for you if you want to take it seriously. Otherwise, yeah, if you just want the alerts, they're there. But for me personally, if you actually want to learn how to trade properly with real transparency, where you can see the wins, you can see the losses, you can see everything in the Discord, right? Then you are more than welcome to join. All right, what is this? This is LTRY needs 210 break. Keep this one on watch, but it's down 5% on Friday and then up 2% this morning or 3%. Edit. Edit is in a downtrend. I don't see anything on edit, unfortunately. Maybe above 240. Maybe above 240. SOUN, what's happening here? Is it reversed yet? Nope. SOUN's heading to this demand zone here. I would only look entries above 11.90 or around this $9 level. If Steve Wonder can see it. No, I'm just being honest. Like, it takes 2 seconds to zoom out of a chart. Whether you've just started looking at a chart, I'm sure if you showed someone that the stock is going down, and you'd be like, why on earth would I buy this? And that's why. Yeah, YYAI looks fantastic. Next levels are $2 and $2.47. Make sure you are scaling out as you go. MLGO, for me, I would wait for $8.43. I'll just clean this chart up and actually just do this, so it just makes it easier for everyone. You can wait for 8:15 candle close above on whichever time frame you choose. I like to use the 5-minute time frame. That is not the best time frame. Maybe your favorite Furu or someone on another Discord or YouTube or Twitter or something says otherwise, but I'm just letting you know I like to use the 5-minute. Needs 8:15 break above. Edit. Was why I announced in your Discord. Yes, it was. Well, I didn't give the alert. No, I was busy. I don't trade the last 2 hours of trade. I have lunch. But in the chart request, yes, I said to a member they can wait for 103 break or $1.10 to enter the trade, and I'm assuming they did. No. Where is the schedule? DGLY. Someone asked me about this earlier. This is drone play. Any war going on right now? Needs 0.1365. You could wait for this level here, 1050, but yeah, nothing really exciting on this. Hollow 5-minute had a falling wedge, but it looked like it broke below. Yeah, it's losing volume big time on this. I'm in red right now. Yeah, nothing on Hollow, to be honest. Nothing on Hollow at the moment. KO. KO is very, very bullish. Wow, I don't know Coca-Cola's was KO. Yeah, KO is very bullish. I don't know, don't think this is all-time high, surely not. It is all-time high. Interesting. Yeah, it looks good. I mean, I don't know what you're looking for this, like are you doing options or whatever, but if you're taking calls, I would definitely take it on the break of Friday's high or continuation to the upside. Oxo above VWAP, fantastic. If you want to take the trade, you're more than welcome to. Follow the rules and you won't lose. That's right, Ferguson, you know it. BBAI, I'm expecting a breakout. If you enter now, please make sure to have a stop loss. I'm not going to hold your hand through that. If you enter, have a stop loss. That's all I will tell you. ORIS, nothing on this. Maybe there's support being formed here, but yeah, for me, I would wait for a downtrend break to look for an entry. Damn, Kuwait, you're killing it. You are killing it. The ORIS, nothing. Card, there's absolutely nothing on card. No, nothing on this, sorry. No volume, nothing. I don't see anything on card. FSRA or FRSX, we can put this here. We can put this resistance right here, 137. Let's put it 1.38. 1.38. So someone has just asked me on Twitter. I know a lot of people are new and I understand that, but guys, come on. Someone has just asked me this, right? They've just asked me, what is the best stock to invest in today? I need something big. Don't you guys think if I knew the answer to that, that I would go to the bank right now and go take out $1 billion? Right? It's such a silly question, guys. It's no one knows. If we did know, right, we would be in the Bahamas right now, but we're not in the Bahamas. So unfortunately, it is what it is. Cavill is bearish. You need to wait for $1 reclaim. $1 reclaim is what you're looking for Cavill. Otherwise, I would not touch the stock at all. Okay, let's see FRSX here, YYAI. This thing's pulling back probably to VWAP. This is a very easy trade now. All you have to do is draw the downtrend like that. If it breaks the downtrend, you can look for possible entries. ATCH, you need to wait for $5.61 to enter the trade. ATPC needs to break above 181 to look for an entry. BBAI, just keep this one on watch. As I mentioned, I expect this one to push to the upside as it is. I think it's also reclaiming VWAP. Yeah, it's above VWAP as well. We will see. TNXP. TNXP. Nah, nothing on TNXP. This is getting rocked right now. TNXP is still bearish as well. It probably will run again soon, but I don't know when. Needs downtrend break. Rather be in Dubai over Bahamas. You do this every day. That's how you find winners. I mean, yeah. Well, I don't know. Not really. I don't do my due diligence on any stocks, to be honest with you. I just trade them based on technicals. I mean, whether you call that DD, I don't know. Guys, FTL is extremely bearish. I'm not even going to bother with that one, unfortunately. CRNC is bearish in a downtrend, as we can see. Maybe pull back to this demand zone here would be good for entries, but at the moment, I don't see any potential entries yet. Yeah, just wait it out on this now. Let me see. Maybe there's entries coming. Let me have a look. What is this? Syringe. Yeah, I mean, you could say it's in a falling wedge demand zone, to be honest. So if you want to try some, you're more than welcome to. Keep a stop loss, please. Please just keep a stop loss. That's all you need to do when you trade. Have a stop loss before you enter the trade. Understand how much you're willing to make, how much you're willing to lose, what is your reasoning for your entry. Write it down and execute the plan. I'm expecting a breakout on this. Let's see. Guys, can we like up the stream, please? Please, please, please. We have 60 likes. Come on. I know we can get more. I know we can. LGMK. Yeah, this one extremely bearish. Sorry, nothing on it yet. IPDN. Needs 0.5 break. Nothing yet, to be honest. Very, very slow. Low volume on this play. Right, FRSX down. YYAI, yeah, just watch this downtrend break on this. It will be good. ATCH, I'm going to watch this above 561 today if I can get over there. ATPC above 181 looks good. STEC, this was definitely one I'm going to watch today. It needs to just hold this $2 level, to be honest. Reto, coming down. Welcome to Dubai. Yeah, come to Dubai. BB. Is there a way to use a stop loss? Yeah, I think you can use it on T212 broker. You can use it on T212 broker, from what I know. I don't know if IBKR allows it either, but MLGO looks good. In my opinion, it's worth entries on this. It is worth entries on this. So I reckon that you can just keep a stop loss on this if you do take the trade. I'd say max 5% stop loss, or 7% stop loss. Let's see. My HDMI cable's shaky right now. I don't know what's going on. TRNR. Alright guys, I'm gonna do last few and then I'm gonna head out. TRNR is breaking out of this downtrend. You have resistance here. This is your clear resistance here, this level. So maybe above 128. If it breaks above 128, looks good. Wait for 128 break. Yeah, 128 break. I've been following you for a little while. Your tweets and streams in the morning, very knowledgeable, man. Thank you, Brandon. I appreciate it. I hope you are learning and making money. ADD. Nothing on this, to be honest with you. At the moment, the stock is in a downtrend. It's bearish. I don't like something like this, but yeah, maybe above the downtrend, or safe entries are above 160. This is ADD needs downtrend break. Downtrend break would look good for entries. All right, I'm gonna go through my watch list, guys, and I'm gonna head into the Discord. FRSX looks good above 138. YYAI, wait for that downtrend break. ATCH, wait for $5.61. ATPC above 181. BBAI, nothing. STEC above 319. Reto is getting rocked. I'm just going to remove this, to be honest with you. Hollow, nothing, to be honest. MLGO probably above, what is this? 815 looks good. ORIS still coming down, needs that downtrend break. ISPC needs 278. Foxo, yeah, Foxo is broken above VWAP now. We'll see. It's a lot of rejection here, so be careful. CNEY, nothing yet. All right. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. If you want to join the Discord is here. This is where the live trading works. This is where the seminars are. This is where the live alerts are and all those things. So if you want to join, feel free. I will see you in there. Have a great day, guys.